Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a CRM platform that won't drive you nuts? If so, you're in the right place. Today we dive into Nutshell, a sales and marketing tool that promises to simplify your workflow, automate the boring stuff, and help you close deals faster. Join us as we crack open everything Nutshell has to offer, the good, the great, and the could be better. From features to ease of use and pricing, we break down whether this CRM platform is the perfect fit for your business or whether you should keep looking. Don't forget to check out our written review at bestreviews.net for more information. Now over to Michaela.
Getting started with Nutshell is easier than hitting snooze on a Monday morning. Signing up is quick, and managing clients, projects, and tasks is effortless thanks to its clean, intuitive design. Plus, a helpful walkthrough immediately guides you through the platform, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. The dashboard neatly organizes everything you need, from context to sales performance and to-dos, so you always know what's happening at a glance. And the best part? You can take Nutshell anywhere. Whether at your desk or on the go, the mobile app available on Android and iOS keeps you connected. Since it's touch-optimized, navigating between contacts, tasks, and emails is smooth and frustration-free. Now, let's talk integrations, because no one has time to juggle a million different apps. Nutshell syncs several third-party platforms like Microsoft 365, Google Suite, Dropbox, and Slack. Its integration with Zapier further opens the door for customizing the platform to fit your workflow. Nutshell packs a punch when it comes to managing customers, sales, and marketing in one sleek and easy-to-use platform. Centralizing customer data, communication history, and sales interactions gives you a full 360-degree view of users' pipelines. Importing contacts is a breeze. You can upload data from files, transfer it from other CRM platforms, or ask Nutshell to do it for you via its white glove import service. It's easy to sync calendars, check your to-do list inside the dashboard, and schedule meetings and events. Built-in web forms are also available to let businesses capture leads automatically. While it doesn't include designing or in-depth task management, Nutshell works well with plenty of third-party apps to fill those gaps. Sales teams will appreciate how Nutshell takes the busy work out of closing deals. With automation moving leads through the pipeline, reps can focus on relationships instead of data entry. The provider automatically tags new leads with source data, so you always know how things are going. In addition, contact enrichment helps identify key decision makers at target companies, making outreach more strategic. Add a customizable pipeline and collaboration tools, and you've got a CRM platform built for speed and efficiency. Marketing automation is just as powerful, making attracting, nurturing, and converting leads easy. Email marketing lets users create targeted campaigns, while automation tools handle drip sequence and follow-ups. Lead collection is seamless, with web forms, newsletters, and landing page templates designed to capture prospects effortlessly. Visitor identification tools also provide real-time insights into who's visiting your site, which comes in handy for refining outreach strategies. Unfortunately, Nutshell doesn't have built-in customer support tools. Still, it does offer web chat and SMS integration to keep communication fast and personal. These features help businesses engage with leads instantly, ensuring no opportunity slips through the cracks. When it comes to analytics, Nutshell delivers key sales and marketing reports tracking lead sources, deal progress, and team productivity. Sales forecasting helps businesses plan ahead, while loss analysis pinpoints why deals don't close. However, it's important to keep in mind that reporting customization could be better. Users with the Pro or above subscription can create custom sales reports, but other than that, they have only 6 fixed reports and 4 insights options to choose from. Nonetheless, Nutshell makes sales and marketing more efficient, allowing businesses to streamline workflows, close deals faster, and build stronger customer relationships. Nutshell offers a flexible pricing structure designed to fit businesses of all sizes, whether you're just cracking into CRM software or already running a well-oiled sales machine. The foundation plan is the most budget-friendly option with basic features. In contrast, higher-tier plans like Growth, Pro, Business, and Enterprise unlock advanced automation, reporting, and customization to keep teams running smoothly. For those who love a good deal, Nutshell rewards annual subscriptions with discounts of up to 32% off monthly rates. Plus, with the 14-day free trial, new users can take the platform for a spin without having to worry about spending a single cent. When you're ready to commit, Nutshell keeps things simple by accepting all major credit cards, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Nutshell makes sure you're never left hanging when you need help. Its website is packed with resources, including a detailed help center, FAQs, self-guided onboarding, and industry-specific guides. You can also use video tutorials and blog posts to know how to get the most out of the platform when you don't feel like reading extensive guides. For direct support, you can reach out via email, live chat, or scheduled phone calls. However, the call option is only available for top-tier plans. During testing, we had a good experience with the live chat, with responsive and helpful agents answering our questions. However, some users have noted that response times can vary depending on demand, so if it's a busy day, you might need to be a little patient. Nutshell also stays active on social media, engaging with customers and sharing updates on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and X.
Thanks, Michaela. So, will Nutshell crack the code for your business? With powerful automation tools, flexible pipeline management, and a user-friendly interface, the platform is made to take the headache out of sales and marketing. With tons of integrations, automation, and handy templates, streamlining your workflow is easier than ever. But of course, no CRM platform is perfect. If you need deep customization, built-in time tracking, or e-signing, you might find yourself looking for a workaround. But if you're after an intuitive, easy-to-use, and automation-packed service that helps teams close deals faster, Nutshell is a solid choice. Overall, Nutshell is best for small to mid-sized businesses that want an easy-to-use, feature-rich CRM platform without the complexity of enterprise-level software. Whether you're a growing sales team or a startup looking to stay organized, this platform helps you focus on building meaningful relationships and closing deals. If you want more information on Nutshell, don't forget to check out our written review at bestreviews.net. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!